So I woke up this morning and I saw something moving outside my bedroom window. And I want it to move. There's a hawk out here in the tree. And I think it's making a nest. Right here in our front yard in the middle of the city. So I ran to get the camera and now I can't zoom in far enough to see it, but it's right there in the middle. And now it's holding perfectly still and you can't even see it. But I was laying in bed and I could see it moving from, oh there we go, moved. There. I could see it through the curtains this morning. It's like, what is that?